everybody. And wait a minute, I forgot to turn my telly off earlier. Oh, that's the volume button. That's it. Right. Tonight, I meant. It's now 7:45. I just finished watching San Andreas. One of the most coolest films I've ever seen. It's like the day after tomorrow, but with earthquakes and that. Just finished that. Got an Xbox night, where I play on the Xbox, and I'm gonna have a film night with all different films. That's Pixels. And I'm not gonna show you over there because some food over there, and I don't want you to see it. So I might play some of this. Might play some FIFA 16. Don't know. And then what else could I do? I might watch Shrek. That's pretty much my night planned. So if you bear with me a second, I'm gonna put my Xbox on. Just waiting for my telly to turn on. Oh, it's playing. Okay. I wish I could cut that out. My controller's not on. PC not dead. PC not dead. Actually, for once, my phone is 100%. Don't ask me how. I went bowling earlier. I lost. I done pool. I won. Potted the black. Right at the end. Let's go. It was my mum and her friend against me, and I won. I potted the black. And that was pretty much me day. I came back. Why am I explaining my day? I don't know. Don't think I'm weird, but earlier I watched Tangled. My sister got me into it. She's about 5. Since when do I listen to 5-year-olds? Oh well, it's a good film. Let's play some. Right, wait for my game to run. This is my game. And I'm just going to look outside a minute, a bit quick. See if anything's outside in here. Nope. Well, I did upload a video. But I was uploading a video, and it said to me about today, and I meant to upload it yesterday, that upload isn't available. What the hell? Why have you zoomed in? I think I'm going to do something. There's something you should know. If you ever play a driving game with me, just know I'm a terrible driver. Keep that in mind. Put in the comments your favourite show. Not show, song. Oh yay! Go free now. Oh, and your favourite films. Don't know why, just saying something fun and cool. And if you haven't already, go and follow me on Instagram. My name is Thomas James 06. And then we got like Smiley 05 and my Corey in there. Corey, those people. Oh, I don't know what to talk about. Trevor? Okay? Trevor? Ew, he died. Well, that can't be good. I've also got this bike game as well called Pure. I'm leaning my phone up against the Xbox. Don't see anything in my room. No mess. Well, definitely not gonna look behind me because that is for so done. Never seen it before. Might not want to see. Right, I might go and do a mission. Wow, Trev. That car just ran me over. Yeah, okay. Time Trev. Right, I think I'm going to end that video here, just for today, short little one, and there should be one up tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I took a picture of my hand. Good.